गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं +2 का इंग्लिश का एक चैप्टर जिसका नाम है द डीप वाटर। तो आज हम इस चैप्टर के 3 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ हाउ डिड रे डगलस कॉन्कर द फियर ऑफ वाटर। क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड रे डगलस कॉन्कर द फियर ऑफ वाटर। एंड आंसर, Douglas overcame his fear of water through determination. There were two experiences, that bad experiences, which Ray Douglas came through his childhood. दो बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस थे जो रे डगलस के चाइल्डहुड में हुए थे, जिसके कारण उसे वाटर का बहुत ज़्यादा फियर हो चुका था। तो आपको दोनों एक्सपीरियंसेस को थोड़े थोड़े में एक्सप्लेन करना है। तो एक्सपीरियंस 1 इज when Ray Douglas went along with his father to the California beach, and he was almost knocked by a crushing waves. And second experience is when he was pushed to a pool by a bruiser boy in the pool. You have to also keep in mind that first experience that रे डगलस के साथ जो पहला एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था वो था when he was 3 to 4 years old, and the second experience जब उनके साथ हुआ था he was 10 to 11 years old. And the question is, how did Ray Douglas conquer the fear of water? Okay, now we can easily write. You have to write first two experiences that I told you. Then you have to write his instructor taught him to swim, yet he was tackled with fear. उसके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने उसे तब भी स्विम करने को कहा जब वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फियर में था। वो पूल के ऊपर से नीचे से ऊपर को स्विम करता था। दैट इज रे डगलस. And in the last, he wanted to check that he has overcome his terror of water. He went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire and swam 2 miles across the lake to overcome his fear, because he wanted to check that he has overcome his fear of water or not. To check that he has overcome Ray Douglas had overcome the fear of water. He went to a lake, that is Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, and swam 2 miles across the lake to check that he has overcome the fear of water or not. Now question number 2 is, what horrific experiences did Douglas have in his childhood? What impact did they have on him? जब रे डगलस छोटा था इन हिज चाइल्डहुड, तो ऐसे कौन से 2 एक्सपीरियंस थे जो उनके साथ हुए थे और उन एक्सपीरियंस का क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा था उनके ऊपर? तो आंसर इज, डगलस हैड वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस एट द एज ऑफ 3 or 4. His father took him to the village in California, and there he was knocked down by huge waves and was almost buried underwater. This left a scary impact on his mind. And second, when he was 10 or 11 years old, a bruiser boy threw him to a YMCA pool. Bruiser boy means a strong or heavy boy. ये 2 एक्सपीरियंसेस थे डगलस के चाइल्डहुड में। बैड एक्सपीरियंस जो थे डगलस के चाइल्डहुड में ये 2 थे। पहला, जब वो अपने फादर के साथ कैलिफोर्निया बीच में गया था, ही वॉज ऑलमोस्ट क्रश्ड बाय or knocked out by huge waves, and he was almost buried underwater. And the second experience is that Ray Douglas suffered was when he was 10 or 11 years old. A bruiser boy or a strong boy pushed him into the YMCA pool. Okay, now question number 3 is, हाउ डिड इंस्ट्रक्टर बिल्ड अ स्विमर आउट ऑफ डगलस? डगलस को कैसे स्विमर बनाया उनके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने? जो डगलस थे वो बहुत ही डरते थे पानी से, तब भी उनके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने उन्हें पीस बाय पीस या फिर स्टेप बाय स्टेप उनका फियर दूर करने की कोशिश की. एंड आंसर कैन बी द इंस्ट्रक्टर बिल्ट अ स्विमर आउट ऑफ डगलस piece by piece. For 3 months, he held him high on a rope attached to his belt. For 3 months, he held him high on a rope attached to his belt. You have to keep in mind these points. These words are very important. That instructor built a swimmer out of Douglas piece by piece. And second is, for 3 months, he held him high on a rope attached to his belt. And third point can be, the instructor taught Douglas to put his face under water and exhale, and to raise his nose and inhale. This is also important point you have to keep in mind. The instructor taught Douglas to put his face under water and exhale, and to raise his nose and inhale. Then Douglas had to kick with his legs for many weeks till these relaxed. These are some important points from this question you have to keep in mind, and you have to elaborate these points yourself in your words. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.